Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Roblox game. For that you just need to open your Roblox account. For that you just need to open your Roblox game and then it will take you on this interface and tap on create account to sign up. And now you have to enter your date of birth, and then after you enter your year, day and month, you need to tap on confirm birthday. And now you have to enter your username, not your real name. And then what you need to do is you need to select your gender, but that's completely optional. And after you select it, or you can also tap on continue button without selecting it, and tap on continue button if you select it. Now you have to wait for a few seconds and it will ask for some. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to enter your and now you have to create a new password. And after you create a new password, tap on done button, and it might save your and it might also save your password on your password app. And tap on this cross button, and that is how you can sign into your Roblox account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.